6, Miss Stewart here. Today in maths we're looking at something called ratio. And ratio means you're comparing values of one thing to something else or parts to parts. Ratio is used a lot in everyday life. For example, if you work in hairdressing and you're mixing quantities of hair dyes, or if you work in building, you're mixing paint or cement. And lots of jobs and use ratio, also things like cooking as well. Okay, so let's have a look at an example of ratio. If you had 5 boys and 6 girls, the ratio of boys to girls would be 5 to 6. And the ratio of girls to boys, so girls to boys, would be 6 to 5. Notice the colon between the numbers. So I've got 5 boys and 6 girls and 5 boys. Let's look at another example together. Let's say I've got 8 cats, 3 dogs, 2 chickens. Okay, so the ratio would be written as 8 to 3 to 2. 8 cats, 3 dogs, 2 chickens. Or we can swap it round. We could have dogs to chickens to cats. So I've got 3 dogs, 2 chickens, 8 cats. So this time the ratio would be 3 to 2 to 8. Let's have a look at another example together. Let's say I've got 4 apples, 3 bananas and 2 pineapples. The ratio would be 4 to 3 to 2. Again, we could swap it round if we wanted to. What we're going to do today, Year 6, is to simplify ratio. So to simplify ratio is the same as simplifying a fraction. You're finding the common factor that is divisible into both numbers. So for example, if I've got a ratio of 10 to 15, I'm looking for the common factor that will go into both 10 and 15. So my common factor is 5. So I'm going to divide it by 5 and I'm going to divide it by 5. So 10 divided by 5 is 2 and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 10 to 15 is the same as 2 to 3. Our common factor is 5, so we've divided both numbers by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 10 to 15 is simplified to 2 to 3. Let's look at another example together. Okay, this time our ratio is 8 to 12 and we want to simplify that. So again, we're looking for a common factor that goes into both 8 and 12. So my common factor that goes into both 8 and 12 is 4. So I'm going to divide this side by 4 and I'm going to divide this side by 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Let's look at one more example together, Year 6, then you're going to have a go at simplifying some ratio. Let's have 20 to 50 to 30. So again, this is my ratio, 20 to 50 to 30. I've got 20 parts to 50 parts to 30 parts. I'm looking for the common factor that will go into all these numbers. My common factor is 10, so I'm going to divide each of these numbers by 10. So 20 divided by 10 is 2, 50 divided by 10 is 5, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. So 20 to 50 to 30 is the same as 2 to 5 to 3. We've just simplified the ratio. Have a go, Year 6, at simplifying ratios. Remember, look for the common factor that go into both numbers or all the numbers that you have, and double check that you can't simplify it further. Obviously, you can't simplify 2 to 5 to 3 any further because no number is divisible apart from 1 into 2, 5 and 3. Good luck. Let me know how you get on. Take care. Speak to you soon. Bye.